how secured are you? How safe are you on the internet? We're going to start this section with a little exercise, just a little exercise to find out if you are being monitored. Would this surprise you if you find out that every details you have been entering on your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, and Opera Mini, has been tracked? That means somehow some software or some people are somewhere assessing the things that you are doing on your browser and on your phone. This shouldn't be surprising to you. You may have created an account on a platform one time or the other. You use the strong password for that account, a password that only you knows, so to say. And then after 1 month, you find out that when you logged in on that website, Google is showing you something like this, telling you that your password has been found in a data breach. That means somehow that password, which is yours, which is supposed to be yours, not known by anyone, is now known by someone else, such that that person can now use it to log into your account. That's how people's accounts are being hacked, your Facebook account, your bank account. That's how people are making away with a lot of people's money. So let us know if your browser has a tracker, because every browser, including what you are using, has a tracker. A tracker is something that tracks you and tracks your activity. Okay, so let us get started now and see what a tracker looks like and see how safe you are on the internet. Join me on the journey. Okay, so join me on this website. Is a web software called Cover Your Track. This is where you know if your browser is being, if there are trackers on your browser. Basically, there are trackers in most of these browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Opera Mini, and the rest of them. All right. So go to Cover Your Tracks. All right. You can see it here. You can just search Google Cover Your Tracks. The first link you're going to see there will come to this place. Okay. So you come to this place and then you scroll down and click on Test Your Browser. All right. Click on Test Your Browser, and you just click on Test Your Browser and wait for the results to load up. So it seems our result is here, all right, and I just have to scroll down to see something, all right. Okay, look at what it's telling me. Our test indicates that you have strong protection against web tracking. Okay, so this is web tracking. You can see blocking tracking ads is yes, blocking invisible tracker. That means there are invisible trackers on your browser, but mine is blocking those invisible trackers so that they cannot track me. That's because I have put a very strong protection in this particular browser. But the case is different with my mobile phone. All right. The case is different here with my mobile phone. Here on my mobile phone, as I'm scrolling down here on my mobile phone, you can see my own test on my Chrome browser on my mobile phone is our test indicates that you are not protected against web tracking. Okay. Now, blocking tracking ads, no. Blocking invisible trackers, no. But this now, blocking invisible tracker, that is no, means that if I'm entering password or visiting any website, whatever I'm doing on this browser, I can be tracked. My activities can be tracked. All right. You can see it here, right here on my phone. Okay. Right on my phone, my activities can be tracked. See for yourself. Okay. Now, if your own is showing this way, do this test on your Chrome browser, do it on your Firefox browser, do it on your Opera Mini. You will discover that most of the times the result is this. Now you've seen that for yourself. This is my own, and indicates that I am not protected from web against tracking on the web. All right, this is my own phone, but my system laptop is protected. I had to show you this because this is likely how your own is going to look like. All right, but let me tell you something. This tracking I just showed you that is happening in your phone is just one of the lists, one of the hundreds of different tracking and hacking attempts that is going on right in your phone. This your phone camera, this your phone camera. There are websites you visit, and this your phone camera will be used against you. That means they turn on your phone camera without you knowing, and they are videoing you. All right, you don't know that you are using the website, you are scrolling through the web, but you are being captured. Your faces are being captured. If you are not wearing your clothes, something like that, maybe your room just came out from the bathroom, and then all of that. Now you're pressing your phone. Now your nude is being captured using this phone camera. Now you can now understand why people's nude pictures and videos are surfacing everywhere on the internet. This is one of the ways that it is done. Now there's another thing we call spywares. Spywares are like spies, like the name implies. There are some that are installed in your phone without you knowing. Those of you who install random apps from different places, even the apps you think are genuine that you install from one place or the other, they have spywares. What spywares do is that they monitor your screen. That means as I'm scrolling on my screen, it's like screen recording. Spyware is like a screen recorder. It's recording your screen. Those of you who have a phone that can screen record understand what I mean by that. That means as you're using your phone, there is something running at the background that is recording your screen. That is how you somebody wakes up in the morning and discover that someone has logged into his bank account and made away with all his money. Because as he was logging into his bank app, then the screen recorded the phone app, and this screen recording is being transmitted to the people that build these softwares or these trackers that are, or these spywares that are spying your phone and tracking your phone. All right. So this is why we have created a comprehensive training that will teach you how to apply security to your device and how to track phones, laptops, and how to monitor phones, laptops, and people. So this training is very, very paramount because your security is very, very important. Anything you are building a business or whatever, you need appropriate security because the internet is exploding and a lot of hackers and fraudsters and scammers are developing technologies to scam people of their hard-earned assets. So we invite you to this training, and if you want to join to learn how you can at least stop what I just showed you now, if your own is showing that you're not protected, and then that is just the list of the things happening on your device, then you click on the link below this video and enroll for our training where we're going to teach you device security and tracking. You will learn how to protect your device, how to protect your laptop, your phone, and how to track devices. You lost your device or you lost any laptop, whatever, you can track and monitor that device. You can use it to monitor your children, what your children are doing with their phones. You can monitor your spouse, for those of you who want to do that. So we are inviting you. You can click on the link below this video and let us get